Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to Anne's Delicious Kitchen, where homemade dishes are made simple. Thank you all for the support. Now, this video or recipe is kind of different. Have you ever tried banana milk? I mean, homemade banana milk. No, you haven't? Then you're missing out. This is for those who enjoy bananas. Bananas are a must for me. And as long as I got some bananas, it's time to make some banana milk. All you need is obviously your bananas. You will need sugar and milk. This recipe anyone can afford. There is another version of this recipe whereby more ingredients is used and then it's blended. Without wasting much time, let's get started. I will start off by peeling the skin of the banana, just one at a time to prevent it from browning. The bananas become brown when exposed to air. Okay? So what I just did was to cut the banana in half. The half I will then cut into smaller pieces. Then transfer it into my mortar. This will be pounded smoothly with the pestle. So this recipe is quick, easy, and of course, delicious. If you don't like sugar, you can just use banana and milk. It's ready under 5 minutes. So, once everything or the banana is nicely pounded, I will transfer the banana paste into the jar, as well as the banana pieces which I cut. Sugar, any sugar of your choice can be used, and then add your milk. Any milk of your choice can be used. Now, let's mix everything well. So there you go. Your banana milk is ready. Keep in mind that once it's in the fridge, the sugar will dissolve, and therefore each time you want a cup of your banana milk, make sure it's mixed well. This recipe your kids will enjoy, likewise yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, comment, and share the video. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.